What makes a camera the best camera? Is it the image quality, the autofocus performance, the ease of use, the battery life, the sharpness? Or maybe it's just all of it together. Nowadays, cameras have become extremely capable. They have higher megapixels, they have better battery lives, they can identify subjects with AI. They are basically compact production powerhouses. If you told Henri Cartier-Bresson what cameras can do today, imagine how he would have reacted. But do you think that would have changed his perspective on photography or his way of shooting or anything? I don't know. What makes a camera the best camera for a person has nothing to do or has very little to do with performance or autofocus or image quality or all of that. The best camera is about convenience. It's the friction that you have between the idea of taking the photo, visualizing it in your head, or looking at the moment, and the action of taking the camera out and actually shooting the photo. With the X100VI, for me, there is almost no friction because I have it here, right? I'll just walk and I'm like, okay, poof, take the shot. Because it's small, but not too small to the point it's uncomfortable to hold. And it's simple. The simplicity of this camera makes me want to take it out and just bring it with me anywhere. Here we go. I'm walking. I see a shot over there. And then I just take it, right? So this looks pretty cool, right? Ta-da! This is not cool at all. Seaweed. The smell is pretty bad, but I want to take a shot here. If I had this camera that I'm shooting on right now, so if I had this, the problem with this is that it's big, it's heavy, and I cannot necessarily put it in my bag and have it ready to get out at any given point. I mean, I can get like a bigger sling, but it's not as convenient. The convenience is just not there. It's definitely giving me more in terms of flexibility, in terms of performance, but it's not the same in terms of convenience. This, on the other hand, is so much more convenient. And if I remove this, it's even smaller. Done. I don't have anything. And it doesn't seem too big, too nice. It seems just like an old school camera, so nobody's gonna be very interested unless they know Fujifilm or they know generally cameras. In 2024, I photographed almost daily to the point where I couldn't take care of archiving and editing all the photos, and most of the photos that I took were on the X100F or the X100VI. There's a lot less photos that I've taken with the X-H2S or the X-T4. Yo, that sunset, that's fire, bro. All of this is to say that although I have access to multiple cameras, whenever I go out and I just need to grab a camera with me, I would rather grab the X100VI, the convenient camera, over a bigger camera. Like if I had something like Nikon Z9 or something like that, huge, like a big professional thing, I would never grab that. I would always grab this. I think that's why people like Leica as much, because it gives like a very good image quality and it's very easy to carry with you. And this is actually really weird because whenever you start out photography, you want the bigger camera, you want the big lens that will give you the most performance and stuff. But with time it becomes about convenience. You're just, do I really want to be bothered getting like the big lens with a big camera with me? Or should I just, take the smaller camera and focus more on the moment, right? Because you don't want to lose time choosing the lens. You don't want to lose time to go in your backpack and take your camera out, or sometimes you're just I can't be bothered right now. I'd rather just enjoy, which is totally fine and which is totally okay, and it should be like that, right? You should be enjoying life more than looking through a viewfinder or through a screen or anything like that. I don't know, it's something about it. The commodity, the convenience that we humans have, like I can't be bothered, it's weird. While with this camera, never happened. Never really happened something like that. I always am ready to bring this with me and take it with me whenever, wherever. I think that's why this camera is the best camera that I could get, at least for photography. If you're taking anything out of this video, let it be the following statement. The best camera is the one that you got. The second best camera is the one that you can afford to buy 3 times. And the third best camera is the X100VI, but I cannot afford that, and most likely you cannot afford it as well. So let's stick to what we got.